Hi everybody, and welcome back to Handsthatcook. I've got a little over a cup of all-purpose flour in here, and I've added some salt and pepper, and I'm mixing it in. And this recipe calls for 4 cube steaks. Well, I sent Sam to the store and he only got 3 because that was what was in the package instead of getting a family pack, but that's where we are. So we'll pretend that we have 4, and over here, let's see, in that pan I've got some oil, and I'm going to fry these about 5 or 6 minutes, 7 maybe. And so let's get to it here. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These are nice size, at least. Two. And here's my third one. Wish it had been 4, but it wasn't. He just can't follow directions sometimes. Push it down in there. Get it in that. There we go. Now I'm going to put them in this pan over here. And I got them on about a medium-high heat. Have a plate ready because you're going to take these out and set them aside. When we get to a point where we turn them over and they're brown, I'll bring you back. Well, I've turned them over several times, and now we're not cooking these till they're done, but they're almost done. And you know, cube steak, you have to cook it fast. Turning it over. I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to put it in a paper plate. Till it's on standby. Don't forget to preheat your oven. It is cold here today. This is a good day for this meal. I'm going to have some rice with it and some green beans. But this is going in the oven for an hour. This is melt in your mouth cheese steak. Let's see here. Alright, I'm pulling that one out and putting it in the paper plate. And this is the last one I put in. Now you're going to pour the grease off of this pan when you get all these cube steaks out. I'll bring you back when we get to that point. Alright, now we're back. Now these Lipton secrets, get the beefy onion. There's 2 packets inside, but you're only going to use 1 packet. And you're going to put it in 2 cups of water. Which I have right here. I better cut it. Now you can put this in a separate bowl, the whole thing, but I'm putting it back in the iron skillet. And mix that up. I'm going to pour it in. And I'm going to get these bits that were on the bottom scraped up good. Add a little bit of flour to it. Don't forget what this was. Beefy onion.
Hey, Bogey.
Sam, I'm videoing.
Oh, okay.
Videoing.
They don't want me to say anything?
No, I don't.
Okay. Fair enough. It smells good. That's what got me up.
Well, I thought I told you to get 4 cube steak. You got 3. Any reasoning behind
I
that?
could have swore there was 4 in that pack.
Yeah. Trust me, there wasn't. Come on. There we go. Now, you're going to put your cube steak in the pan. And you're going to put this pan in the 350 degree oven for 1 hour and do not cover it. And when that hour is up, we'll bring you back. I just pulled these out of the oven, and it made its own gravy. I'm going to get a plate, and we'll see how tender they are. Oh my goodness. Look at there. You don't even need a fork, knife. Oh. Okay. So I'll put a little bit of rice on the plate. And some green beans. Here's our plate. Put some of this gravy on the rice. I think maybe next time I'll use 4 cups of water and 2 packs of the beefy onion, because I like more gravy. But there you are, and you see how tender it is. I hope you try it. I'll put the recipe below for you. Thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. Until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.